Starting photography in 2026 is exciting, but choosing the best camera for beginner photographers in 2026 can feel overwhelming. With so many options from Canon, Sony, and other brands promising amazing photo and video performance, it's easy to spend money on the wrong camera. Whether you want to capture stunning landscapes, start a YouTube channel, or simply learn photography the right way, picking the right beginner camera makes all the difference. In this video, we break down the best cameras for beginners in 2026 so you can confidently choose a camera that fits your goals, budget, and creative journey. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens. Beginner-friendly photography starter for 2026. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 remains a practical choice for people beginning their photography journey in 2026. Built around a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor, it delivers sharp photos with natural color reproduction and good detail, making it well-suited for everyday photography. From portraits and travel shots to landscapes and family moments, the camera produces consistent image quality that helps beginners build confidence behind the lens. The included 18 to 55mm lens offers a flexible focal range for learning composition and experimenting with different photography styles. Beginners can easily capture wide scenes, casual portraits, or everyday subjects without needing additional lenses right away. The camera's simple controls and guided shooting modes make it easy to understand exposure settings, while manual options allow users to grow their skills over time. Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing photos quick and convenient, letting users transfer images directly to a smartphone or tablet. Full HD video recording also adds versatility for those interested in basic video content or YouTube projects. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 provides dependable image quality, simple operation, and solid value, making it a reliable starter camera for new photographers in 2026. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6000 mirrorless camera with 16 to 50mm lens, compact starter camera for 2026. The Sony Alpha A6000 remains a popular mirrorless camera for beginners who want strong performance in a compact design. Featuring a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers detailed photos with vibrant colors and impressive clarity, making it suitable for learning photography in 2026. Whether you're capturing landscapes, street photography, or everyday moments, the camera produces sharp images that help new photographers build their skills with confidence. One of the standout features of the A6000 is its fast autofocus system. With quick subject tracking and responsive shooting performance, beginners can capture moving subjects more easily compared to many entry-level cameras. The lightweight body also makes it comfortable to carry for travel or daily shooting, which is helpful for those who want a camera they can take anywhere. The included 16 to 50mm power zoom lens provides a versatile focal range for general photography, allowing users to experiment with different compositions and styles. The tilting LCD screen helps with creative angles, while the electronic viewfinder offers a clear shooting experience. Overall, the Sony Alpha A6000 combines speed, portability, and reliable image quality, making it a practical mirrorless camera option for beginner photographers exploring photography in 2026. Number 3. Canon EOS M50 Mark II mirrorless camera with 15 to 45mm lens, beginner-friendly creator camera for 2026. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II remains a strong mirrorless option for new photographers and content creators starting their journey in 2026. Built around a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers sharp images with Canon's well-known color science, producing natural skin tones and vibrant photos right out of the camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, image quality is consistently impressive for an entry-level mirrorless system. The included EF M15 to 45mm lens offers a flexible zoom range that works well for general photography, travel shots, and casual street photography. One of the standout features is Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system, which provides fast and accurate focus for both photos and video. Beginners will appreciate how easily the camera locks onto faces and eyes, helping capture sharp results with minimal effort. The fully articulating touchscreen is another highlight, making the camera suitable for vlogging, YouTube content, and creative shooting angles. Its compact and lightweight body also makes it easy to carry throughout the day. Overall, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II balances strong photo performance, user-friendly controls, and versatile video features, making it a practical camera for beginner photographers exploring their creativity in 2026. Number 2. Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera Body. Powerful starter mirrorless for photography in 2026. The Canon EOS R10 is a compact yet powerful mirrorless camera designed for new photographers who want advanced features without an overwhelming learning curve. Built around a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's fast Digic X image processor, it produces sharp photos with vibrant colors and impressive detail. This makes it a great option for beginners exploring different photography styles, from portraits and travel photography to landscapes and everyday shooting. One of the most impressive aspects of the EOS R10 is its intelligent autofocus system. With advanced subject detection and eye tracking, the camera can lock onto people, animals, and moving subjects quickly and accurately. Beginners benefit from this reliability, allowing them to capture clear shots even in fast-moving situations. High-speed continuous shooting also helps when photographing sports or action scenes. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry during long photo sessions, while the intuitive menu system helps beginners learn camera settings more comfortably. Although it also offers strong video features like 4K recording, the R10 remains a highly capable still photography camera. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 delivers strong performance, modern autofocus technology, and excellent image quality, making it a compelling mirrorless option for beginner photographers stepping into serious photography in 2026. Number 1. Sony Alpha A6000 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Advanced Photography Powerhouse for 2026. The Sony Alpha A6000 is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers who want professional-level image quality with modern features. Built around a high-resolution full-frame sensor, it captures extremely detailed photos with impressive dynamic range and strong low-light performance. This makes it ideal for landscape photography, portraits, travel, and creative projects where image clarity and color accuracy matter. One of the camera's biggest strengths is Sony's advanced autofocus system. Real-time subject tracking and eye detection work exceptionally well for people, animals, and moving subjects. Even beginner photographers can achieve sharp, professional-looking images thanks to the camera's intelligent focusing technology. The Alpha A6000 also offers strong hybrid capabilities, combining powerful still photography performance with advanced video features. Its fast processing engine ensures responsive shooting, while the ergonomic body design makes the camera comfortable to handle during long sessions. Photographers upgrading from entry-level models will especially appreciate the improved control and customization options. Although it sits in a more advanced category, the Sony Alpha A6000 remains approachable for beginners who want a future-proof camera. With excellent image quality, reliable autofocus, and versatile performance, it stands out as a capable mirrorless option for photographers aiming to grow their skills in 2026.